Ruby, let's get this motherfucker started. Oil make oil. Oh, it's okay. I need Ruby 1212. Hello. 2 tablespoons. Alrighty. Ruby! Where's my drink? By the way, this is just for my alcoholic beverages. Alright, enough. Oh, that's not a part of it. I swear. A bowl. Oh my god! Anyway. Don't play games. I thought my sister would not be a little big about this, but hello! Hi, y'all! Welcome to my channel! Yeah, so sorry, the coronavirus! Alright, let's start now. Let's start. Let's do this. Alright, so now what we do is we're going to have this box here, right here. Can you see that? Right there. So the ingredients for this here, which is delicious by the way, an egg, okay, 1 egg right here, alright? And we're going to use 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, plus 2 tablespoons of water. Isn't that easy? Here I have my handy dandy, why do I always forget? Measuring cup. So it's going to be 1/3 of this motherfucker right here. 1/3. 1/3. Okay, you turn the oven up. Ruby, I need your help for this. I told you I needed you for something. Why are you gonna make it so difficult? Because this is how Mexican people do it. We use this as another way of storage. I had brain fart right there for a minute.
So, you first bake?
Bake.
Press start?
Start. I press start?
No, bake.
Bake. I press bake.
Okay, now put the temperature on the arrow.
Now we put the temperature. Where it is. Oh wait, hold on. I got something. Give me a second. We turn on the oven and we put it on 350. If you're going to use glass to put in the oven, you're going to put it at 325, okay? Fahrenheit. If it's going to be a metal, it's going to be at 350, okay? Wait for that to heat up a little bit. Now what we do is, so we have our oil right here, which is going to be 1/3. Yeah, 1/3. Sorry. Ooh, pretty far. Stir in the brownie mixture because it comes with 2 bags, okay? We open it. Open the bag. Ruby, I really miss you over here, you know. I'm too much with the baby. Who's saying? I'm too much with the baby. She's over everything. She's over everything. She's the party pooper in the house. Relax. That's what she says. Relax. I'm trying to relax, bitch! Anyways, let's get back to this. So what we do now is we stir the brownie mix with 2 tablespoons of water. Okay, so 2 of these tablespoons, okay? 2 tablespoons. 1, 2. The oil, 1/3. Stir it well. Alrighty, so now what we do is we put that, alright? Now we're just gonna throw it in there evenly, make it nice and even. And a little pink. Okay. So now what you do is just spread it evenly. Okay, spread nice and even. Now what we do is we grab this one here, okay, the second cookie mix, okay, so it's going to be the chocolate chip cookie mix we're going to get, okay? I'm a little confused. Okay, I'm just like so stuck right now. Sorry. Okay. Y'all let me concentrate here. You stir the cookie mix, soft in the butter. So 3 tablespoons of butter. So let's get 3 tablespoons of butter. So, these are easy. So right here, I'm going to tell you the tablespoons. I'm going to cut 3. Okay, 3 tablespoons. Okay. We're going to heat that up. Okay, so in the butter, you're going to add 2 tablespoons, okay? So you're going to add 1, 2. Okay. We're going to put it in the microwave. 30 seconds. It'll melt really quick. Don't take that long. So we're going to put that in here, the cookie mix. Now we get the melted butter with the water. And just mix that. Okay. So then there's that. Now what we do is we're going to just like tablespoon chug it. Okay, so it's gonna look like this. It really doesn't matter how it looks. It's a couple minutes. No, it's gonna take longer. So now put it in the oven for, depending on the sizes. So if your pan is like an 8 by 8, it's going to be 34 to 39 minutes. If it's going to be a 9 by 9, it's going to be 29 minutes to 34 minutes. And if it's larger, like an 11 by 7, would be 27 to 32 minutes, okay? So just put it inside, constantly check on it. So that's that. So there it goes. I'll be back with it. So there it is inside in the oven. And guess who's back? Back again. Guess who's back? Back again. Guess who's back? So let's check on the brownies real quick. Feels pretty good. Get a knife, poke that motherfucker in. Poke this motherfucker in real quick. So keep on constantly checking on it. Look at it to make sure that the dough is still not doughy. So, I'll be back. Alright, so here I am again. Let's check it again. Looks like it's done. So now what we do is we take it out. Let it cool off for a bit. Okay. Make sure that the dough is dry when you put the knife in. That's how you know that it'll be done. You won't. So pretty good. So now I'm just gonna let it cool off for a bit. Okay, so it's done. Now let me show you guys. Hope you guys like this. It's easy, simple instructions. Well, you're not done. Okay, quick tutorial or DIY. Thanks for watching. If you guys like the video, just make sure you show your girl some love by subscribing, sharing, and liking this video. Okay? No, seriously though. Like, don't be rude. All you gotta do is just like it and shit. Like, you guys not like me? Just like the video and subscribe, damn it. Like, is it that hard? Is it that hard? No hard feelings. Subscribe and like, okay? Love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Bye.